Good morning. Yeah. संजीव सिंह साहब, आपने तो जो सब कवर कर ही लिया. Then I may not be very relevant today, but still I would like to share my thoughts. Malhotra साहब, Madam Vartika Shukla, Atanu Mukherjee ji, Abhishek, Pathan साहब, राजीव अग्रवाल साहब, राजकुमार, O.M. Garg, जितने का नाम लीजिए, पंत साहब, all are big dignitaries here. I am a small man, but let me share something. हम सुनते आए हैं energy transition, energy transformation, energy this, energy that. I think all of us are associated with petroleum, oil and gas. Either we are in the refinery or we are doing services to the refinery and things like that. वो एनर्जी ट्रांजिशन सुन के एक लगता है कि हम ठीक जगह हैं कि नहीं हैं. थोड़ा सा डर भी लगता है. So let me see that I will start with the Prime Minister saying something in the Goa thing that we are going to double our energy in next by 2045. Energy requirement of the country will double by 2045. I will repeat. Double. Means the country is growing and growing thick and fast. Aspirations are there, young people are there will be growth. That's what he means. Okay, so let's start. How much the world is growing? 100 million barrel per day, nearly. It goes to 105 by 2030. World. 5 million barrel, the total country demand is around 5 million barrel. So our country will add in next 5 years in the world scene. Okay, so the world is growing. Let me see what's happening in India. 5 million barrel, plus minus, plus something, will go to 6 million barrel oil. That's IEA 2030. So 1 million barrel per day will be the increase. 1 million barrel equals to 50 million ton per annum. You convert it. We will be requiring 50 million ton of oil or products in next 4-5 years extra. Okay, huge. Let's look at differently. PPAC site, Google it, you search that site. I was searching yesterday. The total primary energy demand is 975 million ton oil equivalent. आजकल लोग बात नहीं करते हैं ऑयल इक्विवेलेंट की, सब वो एक्स्ट्रा जूल और जूल में बात करते हैं, बट ऑयल मैन 975 million ton of oil equivalent is country's demand last year. All energy, primary energy put together. We are growing, as Prime Minister says, we are growing 5-6%. So each year we will be requiring how much extra energy? 50 million ton every year. Simple arithmetic. Nearly 1,000 multiplied by 5% is 50. 50 million ton is required every year, extra, year after year after year after year. Okay? How do you get this? Currently, 26% oil, 9% gas, 50% coal, renewable with all that thing, all renewable, 6% only. I have read that number because that's the biggest threat we feel. Okay, 64 million ton oil equivalent is the current. Renewable energy is 59 million ton currently, 59 million ton. If we go to 50 gigawatt, 500 gigawatt, we will be adding only 64 million ton oil equivalent by 2030. We are not competing with renewables, we are not competing with gas, we are not competing with coal. There is a scope for everything. 50 million ton oil equivalent we require every year. So everybody has to contribute. The renewable has to contribute, the solar or wind or nuclear. Nuclear is only 1% today. 1%. So 9-10 million ton oil equivalent. Nothing. Everything has to come in. So don't worry. आपका job safe है. Don't worry. Enough oil and gas. But I was thinking, जब refinery वाले हैं, so which is the most important product, which we be concentrating on? सब बोलेंगे HSD. वो तो खत्म हो जाएगा. We should concentrate on HSD. उसको कैसे destroy करें, कुछ और बनाएं. Everybody is working. EIL को बोला गया होगा, जरूर राजीव अग्रवाल साहब लेके चले होंगे, हम आपको इसका नफ्ता बना देंगे, इसका कुछ बना देंगे, इसका इथिलीन बना देंगे. That's not the difficult part. Difficult part is MS. We take petrol as granted. We take petrol as granted. इसका तो डिमांड 7-8% है, नो प्रॉब्लम. पहले वो 9-10 था, लेकिन अब 5-6 हो गया. बट स्टिल गुड इनफ. That's the threat nobody is working on. I don't know. I was not working on. Only the other day people told me that, look at the number of China, how many new vehicles are getting into the road in China. More than 60% vehicles are EV in China today, which are adding. So we got the number yesterday. हमारे यहाँ कितनी गाड़ी बिकी और कितनी ईवी की बिकी और कितनी सीएनजी बिकी और कितनी पेट्रोल डीजल. Compared to last year addition, 1.33 lakhs cars were sold, increased in number, petrol cars. CNG, it was 1.89 and electrical was 1.42. So the incremental increase in sale of car is much more in electrical and CNG. Electric vehicles are going to take over very soon. Statistics says China has shown. How many three-wheelers have you seen with, previously all over the place you used to see, cycle rickshaw? Three-wheeler? You won't see a single one today because of the technology. The technology has changed everything. Now everything is EV. This technology is going to come in four-wheeler and going to change the scene. अच्छा ये कम नहीं है तो वो इथेनॉल आ गया. पहले 10%, 12%, 15%, अब 20%, अब वो भी इंक्रीज्ड 25. वो 25% डिमांड तो उसने खा ली. So just work on this MS thing. Don't take it for granted that, demand for MS. Simple है यार, नफ्था बना लेंगे, पेटकेम में डाल देंगे, हो गया काम. Why do you worry? Very simple. चलिए अब पेट्रोकेम की बातें करते हैं. Let's talk. Everybody says integrate, petchem, very good. We also did. HMEL, we had a refinery, then we have a 1.2 million ton cracker. We felt very good. Diversified, problem solved. अरे कहीं नहीं solve हुई. Problem तो अब बढ़ने वाली है. Okay. So let's just talk about petchem. Okay. Total demand, total growth, and what's happening. Okay. Global market, capacity 270, consumption 220 today. Future, capacity 340, consumption 270, surplus 70 million ton. Okay? अब थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम आई. Refineries in Europe are closing. Petchem in Europe are closing. I mean, everybody knows. You Google it. Korea, they are closing down or shutting down or slowing down. All people are doing it. The statistics. There was an APEC meeting somewhere recently, and they told that China is going to increase capacity by 37 million ton by 2030. 37 million ton. Our demand is 15 million ton. I'm talking about polyethylene, polypropylene only. Our demand is 7-8 million ton each, so 15 million ton, 16 million ton total demand. That's all. And we have a capacity more or less there, maybe 1-2 million ton less, which will come very soon. So we are more or less there. When we started thinking of setting up a petchem, I went to China, and there was a huge deficit in China of this polyethylene, polypropylene. I felt very happy. क्या यार लगा लेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है, चाइना इज डेफिसिट. अरे चाइना वाज मच फास्टर. Now they have more or less surplus in polypropylene and slightly less in polyethylene, 1 million ton. Their consumption is 40-50 million ton each. They are going to put 70 million ton. Their demand is going to increase by 35 million ton. They are going 37 million ton. They are going to increase. Demand is going to increase by 20. There is a surplus. अच्छा ये कम नहीं है तो फिर मिडिल ईस्ट वाले आ गए. Hardly any demand, but they are going to put 6 million ton ethylene capacity. 1 million ton demand increase, 5 million ton extra. अब चाइना का और ये मिडिल ईस्ट सब कहाँ जाएगा? इंडिया आएगा. Now the problem starts. Is this the right thing to do? इंडिया में है तो इंडिया का करेंगे. Two things. I mean, I will create a problem, then I will try to give a solution. I thought I have created enough problems. So now let me see what we can do. संजय सिंह साहब ने तो हमें solution यहाँ लिखी दिए हैं. That's the solution. I'm going to repeat that solution only. Then nothing new. Two things. Number one, पेटकेम में आप देखेंगे, जब आप पेटकेम लगाएंगे तो बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट वो नीचे बनते हैं ना, वो जो C4, C5, C6, C9 पता नहीं कितने डबल बॉन्ड, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, उन सब में बड़ी वैल्यू है. हम लोग वो यूज़ नहीं करते, उसको तो फ्यूल ऑयल टाइप चीज़ में बेच देते हैं. देयर इज़ अ वैल्यू. अगर हमें दोबारा लगानी पड़ी ना तो हम पॉलीएथिलीन प्रोपिलीन बनाएंगे ही नहीं. बताए ना, वो चाइना से खरीद लेंगे. बट अब लगा लिया तो मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट बी हैविंग ए पेटकेम और अरे रिफाइनरी. अब क्या करें, उसको ही तो चलाना है. सो एक तो आप उसको ज़रा नीचे देखिए कैसे वैल्यू एडिड प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं. देयर आर ह्यूज नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स. पीपल आर बाइंग योर थिंग्स एंड मेकिंग ह्यूज मनी. डोंट लेट वैल्यू गो देयर. और द सेकेंड थिंग है, बी मोर एफिशिएंट. होगा क्या अगर इफ़ यू आर नॉट बेस्ट इन क्लास और कैन यू बीट चाइना इन देयर ओन गेम, you will be wiped out. वो कितना भी गवर्नमेंट प्रोटेक्शन देंगे, at one point of time, you have to stand your own feet. You have to survive yourself. You got to be very, very efficient. हम लोग के यहाँ अगर वो 9% फ्यूल लॉस हो जाता है तो बड़े खुश होते हैं, 8% तो ताली बजाते हैं, 7% तो वी आर द बेस्ट. अरे नहीं, 1% मीन्स $2 a barrel, or maybe around that. Go back and look at the drawing board. Can we the best on earth? Only the best will survive, rest will go. वो बता ना, कोरिया वाली बंद हो गई, यूरोप वाली बंद हो गई. Not because of anything else, because they could not compete with us. So we got to be on top. संजय सिंह ने वो AI भी बोला था इसमें. Huge money. Those 40 plus age like me. AI तो पता नहीं क्या चीज़ है. Start learning from your son, start learning from the youngest. What we have done in the refinery, we got all the, the startups, young kids with full of energy, full of ideas. Take their help. They will give you ideas. आप हमारे आइडिया तो चलेंगे नहीं, उनके आइडिया चलेंगे. तो टेक फुल आइडियाज फ्रॉम द यंगर जनरेशन. दे आर द वन हु कैन रियली गाइड यू. डोंट फील शाई इन लर्निंग. Every company must have done this, real-time optimization, advanced analytics, digital tools. ये सबने करा है. वो तो अब पुरानी बातें हो गई, उसके आगे बढ़िए. So that was the second thing that I thought that, this, we have to work ourselves. We have to improve our own efficiency. We have to see that, we are best on earth, and that's why we will survive. And I hope that, we all will do, and, the country as a whole has survived so far. Our sector has really flourished. In the great crisis, we have come out without any dent. So I'm hoping that, we will all come out and have 11, 12, 13, 14 session, and we'll all be feeling happy about it. Thank you.